So what's up, y'all? I've been doing a new eyebrow routine. I was like, it don't make sense for me to not record it and show y'all how I've been doing it. And people always ask me how I do my brows, and since I switched it up for certain reasons, I decided I wanted to share it with y'all. And I'm using this Colourpop Brow Boss pencil. This is the bomb. I've been using pencil lately, period, like probably from every brand, but this is affordable. I think this was like $5 at Ulta. And you can go on their website and get it. All their stuff is affordable, period. But I use this pencil and it's the bomb. Like, I don't know, it's the bomb. So if you want to see how I do my brows, stay tuned. Okay, so in the spirit of keeping everything affordable, I went to Ulta and I got this Colourpop pencil. And it's in the shade Soft Black. I heard a lot of good things about their brow pencils. And lately I've been using brow pencils because, one, it seems like the pomades kind of pull my hairs out my eyebrows. I don't know. It could just be me. But I like the pencil and I get a more precise application. I don't know. I mean, I still use my pomade. I still swear by it. But for an everyday beat or just my everyday eyebrows, because I feel my eyebrows in every day, I prefer to use a pencil. So today we're going to use this one. It's called Colourpop Brow Boss. And it's in the shade Soft Black. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spoolie them out. And in the front, I brush them up. You see that? And see, my eyebrows are finally starting to grow in like I want them to, because they were so sparse. They still sparse, but they were way worse than this. Because, you know, like back in high school and middle school and stuff, when everybody first started getting their eyebrows arched, you doing it every 2 weeks going to the wax lady. Honestly, to me, that's not good for your brows, because your hair is getting trained. Like, well, your hair not gonna, just like when you get your Brazilian wax, your hair doesn't grow back the same way. You're teaching it to not grow back as thick and full, and I like my brows thick and full. So when the hair not growing back, them ladies still, they finding something to wax. So everybody had like them little pencil brows, and now it's like it's hard for them to grow back. Like, I'm paying the cost for it now. Like, they finally growing in better, but man, without filling them in, sometimes I be looking raggedy. So anyway, I'm gonna twist some of this pencil up. So what I'm gonna do is, remember what I told y'all. When we fill this in, we're not gonna start from right here, unless that's your preference. I'm not gonna be shady. But so what I like to do, if you want to see what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start from right here. So I'm gonna, let me see, I'm gonna make sure I'm in focus. Okay, that looked a little bit better. I'm gonna move my mirror up so I can stay in focus. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is start from right here, about right there, and I'm gonna draw me a line, light little line. See them light strokes? I ain't going. I'm drawing me a light little line. See that? And then I'm drawing some strokes. Draw little strokes at the end of the tail. Uh-oh. Kind of messed that up a little bit, but that's okay. We can fix that. And then I start just doing little strokes where it's light. I'm sorry if y'all hear my dog. She just likes to bark at shit. You see that? How that's natural and soft. And then I'm connecting that top down to the tail. Bring it down. Bam. Now for the front, I'm going to draw some lines up as if I were like spooling it. Then I take my spoolie, blend a little bit, and get them to go this way. You see that? And I like that little front part, how it be fluffy like that, and you blend it all out. And if you still see some spots that's a little too light, just fill them in some more. Bow. So, I'm trying to keep this affordable, but I couldn't. When I went to Ulta and got this pencil, they have a gel, but they were out of stock when I went to get this pencil and try it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my gel that is not affordable, and y'all not gonna be mad at me. Y'all just gonna understand that y'all gonna have to go and try the Colourpop gel when it's in stock. But I gotta have brow gel. So hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Yes, this is an affordable gel, but this one I'm gonna have to use today. And I'm just gonna lightly brush these hairs to keep them in place. Bam. So now I'm gonna do the other brow. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start, let me see, let me turn my mirror. We're gonna start right here. And this one be kind of hard because I'm going over to this side with my right hand. I'm on my left, and it's a little bit of a struggle. Excuse me. I'm gonna start going up top and blending in them spots that's a little empty. You see that? And then it's just like, it goes with the natural shape. I don't know how to explain it, but you just have to go with the shape of your brows. And then you just keep filling in until you get it to how you want it to look. Like, you want it a little bit darker. If you're going for a lighter natural day, then you do it a little light-handed. Making sure they match. That's another thing too, because I've done that a couple times. My eyebrows won't match. And I know I said before that eyebrows are sisters, not twins, but I don't know if I believe that now. Especially if one is lighter than the other, that just don't be looking right. So at least make sure that you fill them into the same depth and shade. I'm gonna carve them out. Since I'm doing a beat, I'm gonna carve them out with my concealer. I'm using my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade 6.3. And put some on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take this little e.l.f. concealer brush. I like this one because I don't want to put too much up under my eye, because that's how you push up too much. And then when you clean up under your brow, don't put it directly under the brow. Start right here and then bring it up. Don't go directly under your brow because you don't want to put too much concealer built up under there. And you see that? And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Just a little bit. And bam, there you have it. So now if you want to see the completed look, stay tuned for the next video where I do my eyes and finish the rest of my face and fix this wig, and bam, I'm back to the bad beat status. You feel me? So stay tuned for that video if you want to see.